How to download and install TikTok Studio. To download TikTok Studio on your PC, firstly open any of your preferred web browser. On the web browser at the top, go to the search bar. Now in the search bar, you need to search for TikTok Live Studio download. After typing some words, you will see the suggestion. When you search for it, then on the result page, you will see the download Live Studio option at the very top. Click on that option. Now you will land to this website. You will see a big option called Download for Windows. Click on that. Select the file location and start the download process. Once the application has been downloaded, go to your full download history. At the top, click on the folder icon. Now you will see the file location. Now click on the application and start the setup process. Once you click on it, then all other options are automatic. And once it gets set up, you can see it on your app drawer. The app drawer is available on your settings. So that is all for today. Thank you.